Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be seeing if we can get some good pulls out of some discounted products. Starting off with the Chronicles Chronicles basketball pack. This was $5. We're going to see if we can get anything good out of this pack. Let's start off with Jalen Suggs rookie card. Not bad to start it off, our Luminance. Give you guys a good look at that one. Pretty nice look at it. Then we're going to have a Bones Highland. Evan Mobley, nice rookie there. Scotty Barnes, another nice rookie. Then we're going to have Charles Bassett, and then a John Morant. Isaiah Livers. Jonathan Kuminga. We're going to have a nice Jose Alvarado on the rated rookie. And then another Scotty Barnes. A Trae Young there on the base. Nice rookies for the Wizards. Julius Randle there. Then we're going to have Damian Lillard and a nice Giannis base. Then we're going to have Sanguine rookie. That's a nice rookie to pull right there. Following him up, we're going to have a Cade Cunningham. There's another nice rookie. Then we're going to have a James Bogsnight for the Hornets. Then we're going to have some green parallels. De'Aaron Fox there. Another Jalen Suggs. Then we're going to have Franz Wagner. The rookie, a Trey Mann. Another Franz Wagner. And then we're going to have an Anthony Edwards green out of XR. That's nice. He's balling out in the playoffs. Then we're going to have a Scotty Barnes and a Zaire Williams on the Crusades. Followed up by a Trey Mann, a Trae Young, a LaMelo Ball, and a Keon Johnson. That's going to finish up the Chronicles. Now let's open up a Donruss pack. This is also $5. Here's a good look at the back of the pack. Got these both these packs at Meyer, so let's see if we can get anything good on this one. Starting off with Grayson Allen, Bam, Lonzo. Just kind of go through the base pretty quickly here. Joe Harris, LaMelo Ball, a nice green shimmer Bones Highland, or green sunburst Bones Highland there. That's not a bad pull. Really looking for Chet out of these, but not bad there. Then we're going to have another cool Expectations insert. And then we're going to have our rookie sunburst of Luke Travers for the Cavs. Not a bad pull. We're going to have a lot more base with like the Luka, Luke Dort, Draymond, Manuel Quickly, Devin Booker, lots more base. Bonus. And we're going to finally get back to our rookies. There's a Kahoko, Benedict Marthan, Ty Washington. 3 decent rookies ended out. Let's go over some of our hits from that second pack. Luke Travers rookie, nice Expectations rookie for the Nuggets. We have Christian Braun, Bones Highland sunburst, and then a couple good rookies, Koloko, Marathon, and the Washington Jr. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.